Alright everybody, so we're in the bilge and I need to disconnect this portion of the exhaust, and you can see that sucker smoking. I just broke that nut and bolt loose, and man, it took a lot of heat to get her broken loose. So I'm gonna stop the camera so that we can watch this one be broken loose. And I'll see if I can zoom in. Yeah, we can just barely see it. So there we go. I moved the speedo cable out of the way, the speedometer. So this will be fun. Flame down there is just the residual oil burning off. Look at that. She's getting hot. I don't really have anything in here that's gonna catch fire. So I got like 19 extensions on my impact. So I could reach the nut. Yeah, my good friend down in San Diego is right. These weasels are very labor intensive. You were right, Glenn. Labor intensive. Ouch. Hot, 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 hot. Okay, let's keep going. I can't believe I got that. Oh, man. A little bit more. There it is. Don't touch that. It's a 2-bolt flange. And the asbestos the asbestos washer in there has glued everything together. I'll be right back. Alright, I'm back with a screwdriver and a hammer for a little tappy tap tap. Smoke. Maybe the two fit together. And everything is just rusted. Uh-oh. Not good. All right, I'm going to keep pounding on it. Wigglation. Oh no. Well, they do. Let me grab the camera. Well, I got it. The portion of the pipe in my left hand fits into the flange that just broke off from that portion there. But that's okay. I can fix that. That pipe needs to be replaced anyway. So that's it. I ain't gonna touch it, it's hot. Alright, we'll see what happens next.